Ang tanong po, Mr. Chair, alam po ba ni Yusek Gilbert Cruz bilang head ng PAOK? Sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, may accomplishment po ba ang PNP, particular ang CIDG, against illegal gambling, particular po sa POGOs, wherein dineclare po ninyo na may na-find out po kayo, may na-discovered po kayo na more than 400 illegal POGOs nationwide. Kung titingnan po natin, identified na, pero bakit hindi pa natin masagot kung wala na ba talaga itong more than 400 illegal POGOs? Yusek Gilbert Cruz, sir. Kasama po ba kayo sa raid, yung PAOK? Kasama po ba sa raid na ginawa sa Bamban Tarlac? Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa raid na isinagawa po ninyo, may nakuha po ba kayong CCTV o wala?
Meron po kaming nakuha sa Bamban, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Kung may nakuha po kayong CCTV, expectedly, mayroong CCTV footages dyan. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino po, Mr. Chair, ang may hawak ng CCTV and CCTV footages na nakuha sa Pogo Hub, Bamban Tarlac, Mr. Chair?
I think it's in the possession of MIG, Armed Forces of the Philippines, sir.
Mr. Chair, pwede po bang ma-request na may submit ng MIG?
Yes, sir.
Yung pong CCTV footage, CCTV and CCTV footage na na-recover po sa Pogo Hub ng Bamban Tarlac, Mr. Chair?
Yes, we will direct the Secretariat to coordinate with MIG of the Armed Forces of the Philippines with regards to the request of Congressman Busita. COMSEC?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. To continue, Mr. Chair, Yusek Gilbert Cruz, sir. Kasama po ba ang PAOK sa operation na ginawa sa Porac, Pampanga?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, thank you. Meron din po bang CCTV and CCTV footages na nakuha doon?
As I can remember, meron po, sir.
Nasaan po yon, Mr. Chair?
I think it's in the possession of the CIDG na kasama namin, sir, during the raid.
Mr. Chair, pwede po bang ma-request from CIDG, PNP, to submit CCTV and CCTV footages na nakuha po sa operation against Pogo, illegal Pogo sa Porac, Pampanga, Mr. Chair?
The Secretariat is directed to coordinate with CIDG and request CCTV, Congressman Busita, the CCTV in the raid made at the Porac, Pampanga, Pogo.
To include CCTV footages, Mr. Chair, pwede po kasing na-retract na yon, pwedeng wala na doon, pero meron CCTV footages, Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yes, COMSEC, please take note of the request of Congressman Busita.
To continue, Mr. Chair, since na-discover po ng PAOK na there are more than 400 illegal POGOs nationwide, tama po ba? Meron ganon? Diba? Tama po, Mr. Chair?
That's more or less right now, Your Honor.
Yes. Dahil wala po tayong representative from CIDG, Mr. Chair, alam ko po mayroong anti-illegal gamblings na ini-implement ang PNP. Ang tanong po, Mr. Chair, alam po ba ni Yusek Gilbert Cruz bilang head ng PAOK? Sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, may accomplishment po ba ang PNP, particular ang CIDG, against illegal gambling, particular po sa POGOs, wherein dineclare po ninyo na may na-find out po kayo, may na-discovered po kayo na more than 400 illegal POGOs nationwide?
The intel list was given in one of our meetings with SILG, and I think it was turned over to the PNP. And with those lists na nandun, sir, they created this task force skimmer for the particular purpose of itong anti-illegal pogo, sir, para paghuhulihin itong mga illegal pogo. And as far as the accomplishment, sir, ang pagkakaalam ko, sir, at least meron na yata silang 4 na hinuli, but hindi ko lang alam, sir, kung ano yung mga naging resulta.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, nabanggit po ni Yusek Gilbert Cruz na sa pagkakaalam niya, merong 4 na accomplishment ang PNP, anti-illegal gambling, particular sa illegal pogos. Di po ba identified na yung location at complete address nitong reported illegal pogos? Tama po ba, Yusek Gilbert Cruz, sir?
Yes, sir. The info submitted, that's to include the address, the Google Maps, and the exact location of the pogo or pogo sites.
Mr. Chair, pwede po bang madirect ang PNP to submit report? Ano na po ang status nito? At least kung na-verify nila, kung wala na itong mga illegal pogos doon sa submitted report po ng PAOK, Mr. Chair?
Your Honor, I think PAGCOR should know and can perhaps reply to your query. PAGCOR.
Your Honor, for the list of the illegal or legal IGL.
PAGCOR, sir, meron pong reported illegal pogos nationwide, which is more than 400. And according to Yusek Gilbert Cruz, as far as he knows, meron na pong 4 na accomplishment ang PNP out of more than 400. Ang tanong po, Mr. Chair, alam po ba ng PAGCOR, ano na po ang status nito? Nitong more than 400 illegal pogos? Nandiyan pa rin po ba sila? Or ano po ba?
Sir, let me get some clarification lang po. Yung list po ba ng 400 na sinasabi natin is yung mga canceled namin na dating licensee na pwedeng nag-ooperate pa? Yun po ba yung binabanggit nating listahan, Your Honor?
No, Mr. Chair. We are talking of illegal pogos reported by PAOK. More than 400 po ito. So, I think, Mr. Chair, with respect to PAGCOR, parang mahihirapan po silang sumagot dahil sila po ay nakapokus lamang sa legal, sa may license. And ang nakikita ko po dito talaga, Mr. Chair, concern ito ng PNP. And they are required to conduct operations against illegal drugs, illegal gamblings. So parang kung titingnan po natin, identified na, pero bakit hindi pa natin masagot kung wala na ba talaga itong more than 400 illegal pogos? Anyway, Mr. Chair, in the interest of time, if I may continue, by the way, sir, before I continue, pwede po bang i-reiterate ko mag-submit ang PNP ng report as far as these illegal pogos are concerned, Mr. Chair?
Okay, so PNP, please submit to the Secretariat the requested document by Congressman Busita.
To continue, Mr. Chair, Yusek Gilbert Cruz, being retired Police General, dito po sa ginagawa nating investigation sa Kongreso at sa Senado, na kung saan ang taong bayan ay may pagdududa na may mga kasama tayong PNP personnel na involved dito sa illegal pogos na ating iniimbestigahan ngayon. Ano po ang nakikita niyong epekto nito sa PNP?
Of course, the trust and confidence, sir, nung mga tao na supposed to be naniniwala sa atin at umaasa sa atin na tayo yung magiging sangkalan nila o tagapagtanggol nila pag sila ay naapi. Parang it would be hard for them to give their trust once na may nakikita silang, hindi naman po lahat. Maybe it's just a small part of the organization, of the PNP organization. Yun lang nga, sir, pag may mga ganyang issues, naapektuhan yung integrity ng organization.
In other words, Mr. Chair, base po sa response si General Gilbert Cruz, dapat talaga ma-address ito immediately, properly, accordingly. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.